For many of you, it's going to be time to check your mailboxes, as in this video, I'm going to be covering for you the full list of states that are going to be sending out that summer P-EBT 2023 payment, and also the full list of the school year participant states as well. I'm going to let you know all the details, along with some updates for you for Oregon, Oklahoma, Texas, and California as well. New updates coming out on food benefits. Now, as you guys know here on the channel, I keep you guys up to date on everything that's available on every level for you and your family, so you don't miss out on anything. Now, if you appreciate that, do me a quick favor, smash the like button before we dive into the list. Subscribe to stay up to date. It's totally free. Why not? And if you want a comprehensive list of all the stimulus checks for states, cities, and counties, I've got a list of over 100 different ones that most people don't even realize exist. You can also access that in the link in the description below at my website, www.reliefroadmap.com. But with that being said, you guys, let's get into all the details. I'm going to get you caught up on the latest happening with food benefits across the nation for EBT. All right, so first, just a quick reminder from the official USDA website that the SNAP benefits, the emergency allotments, those enhancements, those have officially come to an end. And you can see the official website here where it says go to your state local pages to get updates, because the federal pandemic enhancement, the emergency allotments, have officially ended. So just wanted to remind everybody of that. That is coming to an end. If your state is distributing it late, you'll be getting those final payments. Now, also, let's talk about the pandemic EBT payments that are going to be going out in summer of 2023, the states approved, and the arrival times, so you know what you can expect. So here's the full list. I'm going to be covering the states for you and their distribution times. So first we have Alabama, and it's going to go out sometime between July and August. Arizona, sometime by July to early August. Georgia, June through July. Hawaii, June 28th. Indiana, late June through July. Louisiana, August. Maryland, July through August. Michigan, July. Minnesota, August. Nebraska, mid-September. New Jersey, July. New Mexico, August. North Carolina, July. Oklahoma, late June through July 1st. Tennessee, June. Utah, July. Vermont, late August through September. Virginia, July. Wisconsin, mid-June. And Wyoming, August. And again, those are the new summer 2023 P-EBT payments. They're estimated payout dates for when we can expect to see those go out for summer 2023. All right, now let's cover some of the state-specific updates for you guys. And as always, these are all linked in the description. I cite all the sources, put them on the screen, read right from them so you can see it's the latest, and you can reference these if you would like. So Oregon is going to be sending out about $170 million in pandemic EBT cards to 434,000 eligible children. The food assistance benefits will be in addition to any SNAP benefits families already received for their children. Now, the article says that over the next few weeks, the Oregon Department of Human Services and Oregon Department of Education will issue $391 in food benefits to each eligible child in Oregon, according to an announcement from the two agencies. The additional food benefits are a part of a temporary program that was started during the pandemic that is meant to give additional food support for children whose access to food provided through school programs may have been impacted by COVID-19. Now, pandemic EBT, or P-EBT, is in addition to any benefits that recipients received on their normal electronic benefit transfer cards. The P-EBT cards will be sent by mail to each eligible child starting in late March and will be sent in batches through the end of May 2023, state officials have said. Children are eligible for the P-EBT if they meet these two qualifications. If they were eligible to receive free or reduced price National School Lunch Program meals during the school year of 2021-2022, or attended a community eligibility provision school, and were under the age of 6 and enrolled in SNAP during the summer of 2022 months. The state will send out 2 pieces of mail addressed to each eligible child, so check your mailboxes. The first will be a letter notifying them that they are eligible to receive P-EBT benefits, and a second letter with their P-EBT card with $391 of food benefits loaded onto it. Now, households with multiple eligible children will receive individual letters and cards for each eligible child. Households will start receiving notification letters at the end of March, and P-EBT cards will begin arriving in April. So So if you have not already, check your mailboxes, and contact information is at the bottom of this article for you. If you're in the state of Oregon, be sure to check it out. Oklahoma parents are receiving P-EBT cards in the mail who do not qualify and never applied. So if this is happening, do not be concerned. They're saying this is not fraud. This is an error on their part. Take a look if this is your case in Oklahoma. Many parents throughout the state that do not qualify and did not apply for P-EBT cards have been receiving them in the mail. Parents are posting on social media saying that they did not apply or qualify for the cards, but they're receiving them in the mail. And the State Department of Education says that it is not a case of fraud, and any parent who has wrongfully received a card should destroy it. So if this is your case, please get rid of those cards, destroy them. Take a look. Parents were surprised to open their mailboxes to see a P-EBT card that they do not qualify for and they have never applied for. Some school districts, including Ponca City and Asher Public Schools, posted on Facebook about the issue, saying the school has no control over it. In Oklahoma, the Department of Human Services administers the program through funding provided by the federal agencies. This is not through PCPS. Now, it says Fox 25 did reach out to the DHS for more information on how this is happening, but they referred to the State Department of Education, which sent out this statement: "We are closely monitoring the P-EBT inconsistencies that originated last Friday. While our initial investigation appears to have the unauthorized cards limited to a small number of families, we will be able to provide a more thorough response by the end of this week. When it comes to supplemental funding for our children, this administration takes seriously any and all discrepancies." Now, scrolling down, it also gives us a little bit more information about it, and they say that the households that did not qualify for free or reduced price student meals during 2021-2022 school year, please do not activate or use the cards, simply destroy them. And again, there's a phone number and contact information here on this website. If this is your situation, please see the link in the description below. Now, also a quick update for those of you in Texas. I just need to let you guys know, pandemic EBT due to COVID-19, they are saying will not continue for the school year or the summer. Texas has opted out of both of those programs, so that is not going to be available in Texas. And an update for you in California, and again, all of these are linked in the description below. All P-EBT 3.0 benefits have been delivered. Now, P-EBT 4.0, the final round of P-EBT pandemic benefits, is currently being developed, so you will see another round of food benefits coming out for your school children in the state of California. So there you have it, you guys. That is the latest on pandemic EBT and states where you need to check your mailbox and the arrival times you can expect to see those summer P-EBT payments. Now, in addition to that, like I said, I will keep you up to date on everything. And if you want to know the latest about federal level benefits for stimulus checks, be sure to check out this video right here as I let you know the latest that's unfolding. And I will keep you up to date on everything as it comes out. But once again, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you made it this far, haven't already, don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe to stay up to date, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. God bless. This is Steve.